This is Matt Walters with your 2024 first quarter market update. The market ended the quarter with a historically good start to the year, representing the best first quarter since 2019. Much of 23 was about a handful of companies, which came to be known as the Magnificent Seven. These 7 companies were up 76% in 23, while the other 493 companies were up just 8. The market has now broadened in 24, with the Magnificent Seven up 13% and the other companies up a solid 6%. This sets the stage for a much healthier equity market with broad participation in the recent rally. It would not be surprising to see the market take a breather. Times like these are when it's good to remind ourselves that the market experiences a correction, which is defined as a 10% pullback from the most recent highs, more often than you might think. Market corrections have historically taken place about once every 15 months. The last correction took place in October of 23. It would be normal for the market to cool off, so don't let that come as a surprise if we see it happen. Inflation is real and we're all feeling it. Although the year-over-year and month-over-month numbers have steadily come down, inflation remains stickier than many had anticipated. At one point, the market was pricing in as many as 6 rate cuts in 2024, optimistic about falling inflation and a slowing economy. Update to today, we've started to hear questions about whether the Fed will cut rates at all this year. While our opinion is that a rate cut or two are still on the horizon, it would not be surprising to not see the first one until towards the end of the year. As you know, a lot can happen between now and then, so stay tuned. That said, the yield curve is still inverted, and our hope is the Fed can get short-term rates back into a normal range without inflation reaccelerating. The investing landscape looks different than it did just a few years ago. It has forced us to adapt and make certain changes within your portfolios, doing everything we can to make sure your investments are in line with your objectives. Q1 also came with a lot of changes to the Mach 1 team. We have added 2 new financial advisors and 2 client service managers. We are working diligently to streamline processes and communication with the goal of serving you at an even higher level. We appreciate the trust that you have placed in our team and look forward to seeing you in the office soon. God bless.